Module 2, Pre-installation provisioning of cameras and NASs to the SecureEye service. To register cameras and NASs, you're going to navigate to the SecureEye Partner Portal. To get there, you're going to go to secure-eye.com, click Partner Login here at the top right, and enter your partner credentials. Once you're logged into your partner portal, you'll see a navigation menu here on the right-hand side. For the purposes of registering and connecting cameras and NASs, you're going to select the Smart Setup tool on the bottom here. Now, before we go any further, you want to ensure that your PoE switch is connected to the internet and that your cameras and NASs are connected to the PoE switch and powered up, and that your laptop is on the same local network as the devices you intend to register. One key item is ensuring that the switch is connected to the internet prior to plugging in and powering up the NAS. If this is done in the wrong order, you will not be able to discover the NAS. So, first things first, we have to check to make sure that you're on the correct version of Java, which is how this tool works. So you can simply click this link and it will tell you if you're on the right version. So you click Verify Java Version. And congratulations, I'm on the latest version. If you're not, it will prompt you to download and install JavaScript, which is necessary for this tool. Go ahead and close this. So then we select the customer account we'd like to add these devices to. So all your created customer accounts will show up right in here, and we're going to use SecureEye Training. Next step is click Start Discovering. Down here at the bottom, you'll notice that the tool is able to automatically discover all the Axis and iOmega devices you've got on your local network. The cameras pop up right away, and the NAS takes 30 seconds or so to pop up. We'll see it show up here in just a moment. And there it is. So, to connect a camera to the account, you'll see that each camera here says available for registration. We're going to select them individually, and they'll turn yellow. Alternatively, you could hit Select All, and it's going to automatically select every camera available. And hit Register All Selected. The tool is now both registering those cameras to this particular user's account, SecureEye Training, and it's actually going in locally and telling the cameras to connect to the service. As you can see here, it says it's sending command to the device. This process takes 30 seconds to a minute. When it's complete, the system is going to rescan, and we'll be able to see that both of these devices are now registered and connected to SecureEye Training account, as you can see here. So now each one says that they are registered to SecureEye Training, registered to SecureEye Training. So that portion is complete. These cameras are now connected and registered to this customer. If we'd like to add Motion Detection 2.1 to either of the cameras, you simply click Local Access, and it's going to open up the local interface for the Axis camera and ask you for a username and password. The username and password for all Axis cameras is set by default for root as the username and pass as the password. Click OK. And it's going to open up the local interface of the camera. Now if we'd like to add Motion Detection 2.1, you can simply click Applications. And we're going to have to load the application into the camera. Now, before we do this, we have to have Motion 2.1 saved on our computer somewhere. Now, if you'd like to download that, you can do that right from inside of our partner portal from the Partner Downloads section. You can see you're able to download this file and save it so that you're able to load it on the camera. In this case, I've already got it saved. Up here where it says Select Package file to upload, browse to Motion Detection 2.1. In this case, I have it saved in this Axis folder here right on my desktop. If I select Axis Motion Detection and open, and then upload package. Now you'll see that under installed applications, the Axis Motion Detection is there, and the status is not running. And there's one more step, which is to select it and hit start. And now you'll see the status lists idle. That means it's ready to go, and you can close this window. Okay, now we've connected our cameras and we've loaded Motion Detection 2.1. Last step in the module is registering NASs. So again, we've got our NAS here at the bottom, and to register it to the service, we're going to click Local Access, click I understand the risks, now that we're logged into the NAS, we're going to click the little gear here logo at the top. Along the left-hand side, you'll see Cloud Services, and double-click Axis Video Hosting System. See here, we have the option to install Axis Video Hosting System. We're going to click that and confirm. Okay, now that the Axis system is installed, you can see at the top right it says AVHS is currently disabled. Click to enable. So go ahead and click enable. And once again, click OK to confirm. And it takes a few seconds to turn on AVHS. Once it's complete and it says AVHS is currently enabled, the only step here is to take down the serial number and owner authentication key that are displayed down here under credentials. Note, this is extremely important to write down or copy these two numbers down. You will need them to register the device to the service, and you're not going to be able to pull up this page easily again. So make sure that you take these and copy them. And in my case, I'm just going to paste them onto a Word document here for later. Now that AVHS is enabled, we can go ahead and close this tab and go back to the Secure Eye tool. From in here, now we want to go ahead and actually register that NAS to this customer's account. So to do that, I'm going to click Manage Devices, click Add Storage Device, and we're going to pick which customer account we're interested in. So in this case, Secure Eye Training. We're going to copy over the serial number and authentication key from our notepad. So go ahead and say copy. And give it a name. And that's it. We've now registered and connected the NAS to the service. And sometimes it takes 30 seconds or so for it to actually show up as connected in the account. But if we scroll down here, we can see the two cameras and the NASs are all connected and ready to go on our Secure Eye Training account. And that's it for provisioning the cameras and NASs. Lastly here, if you want to actually check and see them inside the account, you can just click to your user portal, log in as a user. And you'll see your two cameras are indeed connected and you've got video. And if you click settings, you'll see the two cameras as well as the NAS.